Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to clear cache on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear cache on Google Maps application, first we'll be required to open the settings of the phone and not the Google Maps application itself. And after opening the settings, scroll down and you can see the apps option available for us over here. Just below the battery, tap on apps, and over here tap on the app management button at the top of the screen. And over here again, let's wait for it. At the top of the screen on the search bar, tap over there and search for Google Maps over here and open it. And on this interface you can see the storage usage option available for us. Tap on the storage usage button over here and you can see there is the clear cache button at the bottom right corner of the screen. For me guys, I had cleared the cache of the Google Maps recently, so there is no cache available for me. And after opening the Google Maps, let's open this section of the storage usage of the Google Maps over here, and you can find the Google Maps cache memory available for us over here. Now in order to clear the cache, tap on the clear cache button and the cache memory of the Google Maps application will be cleared. And with that being said guys, this is how to clear cache on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.